Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Cepi Nugraha SPD dari SMK Negeri 1 Japara. Mengajar bahasa Inggris mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan kategori 1 gelombang 2 Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris LPTK Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. Hari ini Senin 12 Juni 2023 saya akan melaksanakan uji kinerja. Berikut videonya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good. Good morning, class.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. Today we meet again in this class. Yeah, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, I would like to check the presentation today. Yeah, is there any of you, any of your friend who didn't come today, who absent today?
No one.
Okay, praying today before we start the studying. Please, Puspa.
Attention please. Before studying, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Yeah, I have some sentences that I have from the someone who called Vladimir Lenin. It's learning is never done without errors and defeat. It means that kita belajar ya itu tidak terlepas dari kesalahan. So what the point that I want to tell you is don't be afraid to make an error. Jadi kalau salah, it's okay. Let's go. SMK
Bisa.
SMK
Hebat.
SMK Negeri 1 Japara.
Ready.
Okay, nice. Tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, so we can make a project that you can do group with your friends ya. Kita belajar berkelompok ya, bekerja sama, cooperate with your friends and do anything for material today. Ya, sebelumnya ya, before of that, I would like to ask you a question. Do you have any experiences for holiday? Yes, please.
Yes, I have.
Yes, good. She have experiences from holiday. Next is what kind of story? Yeah, please, Siti.
To Jakarta.
Vacation to Jakarta. Yeah, Siti went to Jakarta when it's holiday. The last question, okay? Do you often tell a story? Raise your hand, please. Yes?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Jadi it's related to the material that I would like to give you today. It to tell a story, like Puspa said, he often tell a story. I think with your friend or with your parents or with anyone. Okay. For the method, we use a jigsaw. Seperti pada umumnya, ya. We made a small group for discussion and then one of you go to another group and take the process and you go back to your group and go discuss again, something like that ya. For the task is project ya. Seperti yang di materi sebelumnya, the previous material before I told you, we discuss about text ya. Kita masih tetap ke teks. We are going to learning comprehensive text. Before you watch videos that I will present to you in the monitor right here, I would like to give you a forms I mean some forms for you to fill the forms Okay, let's begin to watching these videos. Okay, listen carefully and watch carefully. Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Shiva.
The video is finished. Okay, you can share with your friend beside you to fill the form. Yeah, relate to video. I give you some 5 minutes to fill the forms. Okay, please. Okay, time's up. Yeah, please raise your hand first right now. Who wants to try to be the first one to respond the videos, please? Okay, please.
In the video, there is a story.
Okay, in the video there is a story. That's right. Next, well, try. Okay.
Someone's holiday.
Yeah, it's a someone's holiday. Next. Okay.
The girl went to Bali with her friend.
Yeah, from what we watched in the video, the girl went to Bali with her friends. The next. Okay.
What kind of text is that?
What kind of text is that? Ada yang tahu nggak teks apa itu? Raise your hand, please.
That's personal story.
Yeah, personal story. Yeah, it was a personal story. That's right. The last, okay, please. Any question? The last. Okay.
Is then a simple past tense?
Is there is a simple past tense? Apakah itu past tense? Ya, tentu saja itu menggunakan past tense. Ya, seperti di materi sebelumnya, the last material that I gave you from the text, itu ada tenses-tenses yang menyatakan, ya, tell you about the past, the future, or the daily activities. So for telling a story, we use a past tense. Okay. Yeah. Step 2, we do a small group discussion. Ya, kita sudah membuat grup, ya, seperti di pembelajaran sehari-hari kita. Ya. Silahkan, please to move to your friends in a group. Oke, ya, silahkan. Before we begin the discuss, okay, I would like to tell you about the project. The project is about to make a video, ya, yang nanti you can upload it to your social media. Ya, it depends on you. If you have Facebook or WhatsApps or Instagram or TikTok, ya, it is up to you to upload it, and you can give it to me the link so I can play your project, your videos. Okay, but before that you have to discuss the material before, ya, menganalisis materi yang sudah kalian respon dari video sebelumnya. Ya, kalian bisa cari teks dimanapun, ya, using a browser with your phone, or you can look for it in the textbook or anything, ya. So you can analyze what kind of text is that, ya, for telling story, a personal story, seperti yang Puspa sampaikan tadi, ya. Di dalamnya ada apa saja dan kalian berikan contohnya seperti apa. So right now we start the discussion. Okay, the discussion is begin. Okay, right now, one of you, ya, perwakilan dari grupnya masing-masing, please move to other group to give some information or to get some information to the other group, ya, what they explaining, what the text, or what's how to read it or anything. Please, one of you move to your friend right now. Silakan. Let's do it. Silakan. Satu perwakilan move to the other group. Ya, silakan, please. Silakan, ayo. Ayo, tinggal satu orang. Ya. Oke, silahkan sampaikan, diskusikan, dapatkan informasi dari kelompok lain. Dimulai sekarang. Okay, for jigsaw, it's done. Get back to the original group. Silahkan kembali lagi. Return to the group. Before you present, ya, read the result of the discussion. Kalian sampaikan dulu informasi dari grup-grup lain ke grup original kalian, dan after 10 minutes discuss, you will present the result of the discuss. Okay, the discuss begin right now. Okay, finish. Now it's time to present, ya. Giving some reports from what you get, ya. The analyze, the example of the text. Okay, right now it's time to present the result of the discussion before, ya. The first group, please tell your friends about the result of your discussion. Okay, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are group 1. My name is Yayus Lufia.
My name is Puspa Asgiasara.
My name is Amalia Nurmazia. Kami di sini akan mempresentasikan contoh teks yang kami dapatkan. Last year was the best experience I ever got. I was the first winner of singing competition. I love singing since I was kid. I practiced so hard before I delivered. My parents were really supportive. They helped me to practice and prepared healthy food for me. They also gave me motivation to believe in myself. That's why winning singing competition means so much to me.
Terjemahan, tahun lalu aku mendapat pengalaman terbaik yang pernah aku dapat. Aku menjadi pemenang di kompetisi menyanyi. Aku hobi menyanyi dari kecil. Aku berlatih sangat keras sebelum perlombaan. Orang tuaku sangat mendukungku. Mereka membantuku berlatih dan menyiapkan makanan sehat. Mereka juga memberi motivasi untuk percaya diri. Itulah mengapa memenangkan lomba menyanyi sangat berarti untukku.
Analisis yang kami dapatkan dari teks tersebut adalah teks recount jenis personal yang bercirikan menggunakan kalimat past tense atau lampau seperti when, dappeted, woke, wake up, dan lain sebagainya. Menggunakan adverb dan adverbial verbs untuk mengungkapkan waktu, tempat, dan cara seperti last week, last year, last September, yesterday, on then second day, 2 days ago, dan lain sebagainya. Menggunakan conjunction dan time connective guna mengurutkan peristiwa atau kejadian seperti and, before, then, after that, dan lain sebagainya. Sekian presentasi dari kami.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause to the group. Okay, for the last group, ya, present your result from your discuss before. Okay, who would like to try? Oh yeah, please get up. Yeah, let's begin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are group 2. My name is Dina Febriana.
My name is Siditi Septiani. My name is Adelita Siluski.
Kami di sini akan mempresentasikan hasil diskusi kami. Last week was the first day I came late to school. I had never come late to school before. I was stay up late until 2 a.m. which was very unusual for me. I set my alarm to 5 a.m. I woke up at 7 a.m. and I did not hear my alarm ring. It turned out that my alarm was broken. I rushed to bedroom and I changed to my school uniform. I ran to my school. When I arrived, I was finished for being late. After school, I booked 2 new alarms to prevent this happen again.
Terjemahan. Minggu lalu untuk pertama kalinya aku datang terlambat ke sekolah. Sebelumnya aku tidak pernah datang terlambat. Tidak seperti biasanya, aku tidak bisa tidur sampai jam 2 pagi. Aku memasang alarm jam 5 pagi. Aku bangun jam 7 pagi dan aku tidak mendengar alarmku berbunyi. Ternyata alarmku rusak. Aku buru-buru ke kamar mandi dan memakai seragamku. Aku berlari ke sekolah. Sampai di sekolah, aku dihukum karena datang terlambat. Setelah pulang sekolah, aku membeli 2 alarm baru untuk mencegah kejadian ini terjadi lagi. Penjelasan dari diskusi yang sudah dilakukan terdapat struktur dari teks tersebut, yaitu orientation, menceritakan mengenai latar belakang informasi tentang siapa, di mana, kapan kejadian atau peristiwa terjadi. Events, menceritakan serangkaian peristiwa yang terjadi sesuai urutan kronologis. The orientation merupakan penutup atau kesimpulan cerita. Untuk menutup suatu cerita, kita bisa memberikan opini kita mengenai cerita tersebut.
Demikian presentasi yang dapat kami sampaikan dari hasil diskusi tadi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause. I would like to give you some appreciation for the giving our some result from your discuss one more time. Can you clap your hand right now? Okay. Okay. Right now we do the scheduling. Ya. Jadi dari apa yang sudah kalian sampaikan di present discussion before, you have some good analysis from the text. Yeah, the first one you get the personal recount that telling a story from the past you get. Yeah, there are some 3 of generic structure. Yeah, the first one you get the orientation. Yeah, it used to in the first paragraph, and the second one the event, and the last paragraph it's always reorientation, and that's the personal recount. Ya, sekarang kita ke scheduling. Ya, I would like to give you time, for 20 to 30 minutes to make a project right now. It is the videos. Sebelumnya, we do some ice breaking. Untuk mencairkan suasana lah. So I would like to explain the ice breaking right now. As you can see, the ice breaking, counting, and boom. Di sini kalian counting 1, 2, 3 and go on. Rules is kelipatan 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Itu you cannot say that, but you have to say boom. In the times 5. Di situ ada contohnya 1, 2, 3, 4 boom, 6, 7, 8, 9 boom. And then go on, dan seterusnya. Okay? Can you do that? Are you ready?
Ready.
One more time. Are you ready? Okay, good. Ya. From city, ya. Dari ujung, ya. Let's go right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, boom. 6, 7, 8, 9,
Kembali lagi.
13.
Iya, ya. Stop di sini, ya. So, the rules, ya, you cannot say any number or wrong. It's okay, ya. It's just games. So, the punishment is read loudly. Baca sekencang-kencangnya yang ada di monitor, ya. It's a vocabulary building, so you can see the words and the meaning, ya, beside. Get up, please. Berdiri, tolong. Silahkan. Silahkan.
Hello, head, menolong, cons, biaya, officer,
Officer.
petugas,
Anything else?
anything else, ada lagi,
Enough.
enough, cukup, or
Use.
menggunakan, fitting, pencatatan,
Paper.
paper, kertas,
Little.
bit, sedikit,
Confuse.
bingung,
Recommend. Menyarankan.
menyerahkan,
Register.
daftar, formulir, laporan, give, memberikan, finish, selesai.
Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, next we do the progress. Yeah, we do what we do later. You can report to me, yeah, privately and prepare for the project. Sekarang kita lakukan projectnya, ya. Yeah, before we do the project begin, I would like to give you some example of the project, yeah, that I got it from YouTube. Okay, that was the example of the project that we would like to make, ya. Nanti you can do the progress, do what you do the report to me privately. So after that you prepare to make it, yeah, and then you can present the project play in the monitor. Okay, let's start the project begin. Silakan, please. Yeah. Yeah, okay, right now it's finish for the step 4, yeah, for the progress, for the example of the videos, yeah, for the report. I would like to check your report right now, and then after that we are in the next step. Okay, I would like to checking the project that you have, yeah, and then you tell me the report. Okay, you have something. Okay, this is the text. You can make a video. Medianya pakai apa? Media rekamnya pakai handphone ya? Pakai handphone, udah bagus. Oke, sudah ya. Record. Ya. Okay, now it's time to present the project in front of us right now, yeah. The project, you can upload it to the my laptop first, yeah, and then we can see the videos in the monitor right now. Okay, the first group, please move forward.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are group 1. We would like to present the project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 1. My name is Fatia Sata. My name is Elis Lucia. My name is Dina Haidisi. Project yang kami buat dengan judul Making French Fries for the First Time. 2 months ago, a friend of mine gave me a box of fried rice that she made by herself. I was so amazed by how tasty her fried rice was. It inspired me to make delicious fried rice. So, when we tried it, I made one. After school, I tried to find my recipe on YouTube. Then, I found a video of a simple fried rice recipe. When I finished cooking, I served the fried rice on the large plate. Afterwards, I served it for the family. My mother and father said that my fried rice was tasty, but my brother said that it was too spicy for him. Turns out, cooking was an exciting activity. After receiving compliments from my mother and father, I want to make delicious for more and more. Terjemahan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Membuat nasi goreng untuk pertama kalinya. Paragraf pertama, orientasi. 2 bulan lalu, seorang teman saya memberi saya sekotak nasi goreng yang dia buat sendiri. Itu mendorong saya untuk belajar cara membuat nasi goreng yang enak. Jadi, 1 minggu kemudian saya membuatnya. Series of events di paragraf kedua. Sepulang sekolah, aku sengaja tidak tidur siang. Sebaliknya, saya harus pergi ke dapur dan menyiapkan semua bahan. Namun saat itu, saya tidak tahu cara membuatnya atau mulai dari mana. Jadi, saya mencoba mencari resep di YouTube. Setelah menonton videonya sekali, kemudian saya mengikutinya sesuai dengan langkah-langkah yang di video tersebut. Ibu dan ayah saya mengatakan bahwa nasi goreng saya enak, tapi kakak saya mengatakan bahwa itu terlalu pedas untuknya. Paragraf terakhir, presentation, ternyata memasak adalah kegiatan yang mengasihkan. Setelah menerima pujian dari ibu saya, ayah saya ingin membuat makanan yang lebih enak lagi. Mungkin itu sekian presentasi dari kelompok 1. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, for the last group to present the project, yeah, for the group 2, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Group 2, we would like to present our project. My name is Sidiki Satyani. My name is Dina. My name is Adelina.
Silakan nih. Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 2. My name is Dina Febiana.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause for the group. Please sit down. Okay, attention please. Right now it's time to make a response or anything else that what you want to tell us, yeah, about the project that your friends have presented in front of you before. Okay, who would you like to give us the response first? Please raise your hand. Okay, please Siti.
Tanggapan saya tentang video presentasi tadi, dalam pengucapannya itu sedikit kurang jelas Pak dan terlalu buru-buru.
Okay, thank you very much for the response. It's about techniques, yeah. It's about the sound, yeah, your voice in the phone. Okay, thank you very much. And the last response, who would like to try to give our response? Yes, please.
Tanggapan saya mengenai video yang tadi ditampilkan, videonya sudah menarik dan bagus.
Okay, thank you very much, ya. Video yang sudah ditampilkan, the project, ya, the presented before, it's good enough, ya. Okay, give applause for us one more time. Okay, come on. Okay, we are in the last step, ya. It's the last for us to get the evaluation for the material before, yeah. So we do the test, yeah. There are some questions and you can do the test using your mobile phone, yeah. Right now you open your phone and then go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the join code, ya, 022558. Please, silakan siapkan. Zero two two five eight. Jangan lupa ya. Ya. Okay, I think it's all of you here. Yeah, we can start the test right now. Okay, please do the test correctly. Okay, all done ya. Let's see. Ini hasilnya. Ya, you can see the green one is the correct one. Ya, it's the red one. It's the false one. Ya, okay. We finish the last step right now. Okay, that's it for the learning process today. Ya, but before we end this meeting, I would like to ask you about the reflection. Yeah, the reflection is what we get today. Yeah, what we have from this process, the project, the material, or anything else for today. Please, someone to give the reflection or kesimpulan lah ya, conclusion for today. Raise your hand please. Oh, okay, Siti, again, please get up. Look at that. Yes, silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya akan menyimpulkan tentang pelajaran hari ini. Dari pengalaman yang sudah saya dapatkan hari ini, tentunya sangat seru dan menyenangkan, serta sangat bermanfaat untuk skill berbahasa Inggris saya. Selain itu, saya jadi lebih memahami menyampaikan cerita-cerita saya di masa lalu dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause for Siti. Okay, for the next information is for the next meeting, that we have to get into the class again, for the last material in this semester, So you can get in this class again on the next Monday, Before we end up this meeting, don't forget to clean up, the room, so don't leave the trash in this room. And then the last thing is praying for end up this meeting. Okay, please, leader of the class, leading the prayer, please.
Attention please. After studying, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Reading to teacher.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. SMK? Bisa. SMK? Hebat. SMK Negeri 1 Japara? Ready. Applause.